guys, my name's Alondra.
My vision was blurry and now I see clear. You wouldn't believe what I made in a year. Go by myself, I never needed no help.
Welcome to my channel. Please leave a thumbs up on this video, subscribe, make sure to leave a comment down below. So you might be wondering why I'm in a different location, and that is because today is a different video that does not require my room. It requires the kitchen. That's right.
It's not clickbait. Alondra is cooking today.
I'm cooking something for dinner for my whole family, so it can't be something that I mess up because I'm not the only one eating. So today we're going to follow the instructions I found on a tasty clip tutorial. Let's get right into the ingredients.
Oh my. The butter.
Oh my gosh.
Let's make some magic and act like we don't have anything here.
So that they can make it pop up. Okay, so the first ingredient we need is bacon. Whatever sprinkles your donuts. Butter. Cream cheese.
Ooh. Don't you dare follow me. Don't do it.
Sour cream. Garlic. This is garlic powder. Parsley. Chicken.
Chicken!
Salt. Pepper. Lasagna noodles.
Are they noodles? Are they called noodles? Or the first thing we're going to do is put our hair up and wash our hands because the video doesn't say that, but we all know it's pretty disgusting if you don't do it.
Oh, I look ratchet. First thing we need to do is chop up the parsley and the bacon. How do I open this? It says peel here, but there's nothing to peel. Oh! Bacon. There. Yep. We need to cook the lasagna noodles. I'm hungry.
Isn't that what chefs do? Like,
I'll just crouch down. Okay, wow, I didn't turn this on.
my pasta? Oh my gosh.
So this is where I'm gonna make my pasta. I'm gonna add some oil into the water.
I don't know what shit.
Good enough. Yep. Ignore my outfit. Oh, you don't expect me to look good on some vacation. This guy just saw me. This is my old playlist. Oh, also I was painting, so if you see this stain, that's paint.
This is an old shirt too. I'm just a mess today, okay?
Yeah. I was really about to dip my hand to see if it was hot. And so I'm just gonna dip it in now. Wait. Wow. Oh, cheese. Okay. This is where it's gonna get crazy. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of butter. It's gonna get crazy, right? Wow, it says 8 ounces of cream cheese. Oh my gosh, that jumped. I'm standing over here now. Something's not right. The picture doesn't look like this. So let's go add our sour cream. How much is a cup?
Nothing lonely, that's when you start acting choosy. I don't want to keep
The lasagna. The pasta. No. The pasta. Oh my. How about we take you out? Oh, it looks good. Okay, so it's looking like the video, so we're gonna add the chicken.
And then just cook 10 minutes and then add the salt, pepper, and parsley. So that's what we're gonna do.
It's screaming. That's actually wrong. I think it's been 10 minutes. Actually, no, I don't. I'm just an impatient person. We're just gonna get on with it. We're gonna put our salt in it. I know what this is. We add the parsley. Weird, why am I so cringy on camera? I promise you I'm not this weird person. I'm a little bit less, okay? This is looking pretty bomb. Ooh, it's hot. It's tasting pretty bomb too. We need cheese. Good idea. Innovation, future engineering here. I'm tired. Okay guys, I just finished eating. My whole family finished eating. In my opinion, the lasagna rolls were pretty bomb. Everyone else ate it too, so I'm guessing they were pretty good. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe down below, and leave a comment on what I should cook next because I kind of enjoyed making that video. Please leave a song suggestion down below and hopefully I can play it for my next video. A big thank you to all of you who stayed for the whole video and keep smiling.